Right, welcome back to Bad Bees, the number one place, the baddest place on the internet for Onlyfans advice. Today we are talking about 8 mistakes you might make when you're promoting on Reddit. Now, I've seen this a lot from some creators and I've seen it in ebooks. Can you believe it? Don't believe what you pay for. Some of it is very, very wrong. Number 1, never post under someone else's post. I don't care if you're on Twitter, Onlyfans, or on the moon. Never ever hijack someone else's post with your OnlyFans link. Number 2, don't use the same picture too many times in a row. If you've posted the same picture to numerous subreddits, stop at 4 or 5, okay? Because the way in which Reddit works is if you post to a subreddit, they're going to click on your profile so they can see different posts from you. And if they have to scroll down about 30 posts to see a different picture, that person is going to think of you as spammy. That person is not going to click your OnlyFans link to see what they could potentially be seeing and for you to get the money. 3, I know this really depends on your equipment, but don't post low quality pictures, right? Don't post too high quality pictures either, not like this quality, but don't post too low quality pictures either. 4th mistake people make is the pictures don't match the subreddit. Now, I read an ebook which said the ridiculous thing of post no matter where, posting subreddits which aren't even about you. That is wrong. Don't do that, because that looks spammy. You look like a bot. You look like a promoter. You don't look like an amateur who wants to improve their page. Okay, so do not post. If you're not a pale girl, don't post a pale girls. If you're not ebony, don't post ebony. Makes sense. Poor captions. Your picture might come up blurry on some of these profiles, so what you need to ensure you're doing is create engaging captions that you haven't stolen or copied from anywhere else, that make people want to click the picture and open it. Try and relate it to what you're wearing in the picture or what you're doing. It always makes it seem more original. It always makes it seem more honest. 6th mistake, you haven't already made a list of the best subreddits for you to post in. Now, everyone, and I say this is why Bad Bees is so different to everybody else. We don't think a one size fits all works. You need to make a list of your subreddits that concentrate on your niches, right? And within this list, it will get smaller because of the ones that you're able to actually post in, because some of them don't allow sex workers. You may not have enough karma. You may need to get verified. But you need to be taking pictures for certain subreddits, because in that way, you can really fly high with the upvotes. Certain examples of this are for like the subreddit on off, the subreddit bending over, the subreddit down blouse, things like that. You can even get more niche, but I won't get into it here because you're all very different. 7, you don't post at the right time for your subreddit. Now, there are things out there like delayforreddit.com where you can actually see when a certain subreddit has the highest engagement. So if you're scheduling your posts, you know exactly when the busiest time on that page will be when you post it, so it will get the most amount of eyes on it. If you're in the UK and you're posting to a largely American forum at like 8 p.m, it might not be the best time for them. So take that into account. 8, I've seen a lot of creators kind of make this mistake. Make sure you're deleting a lot of your older content, because let me be clear here. Sometimes you want to upload really good content, but you don't want it to be available forever because it's too good.